Hey Robin, my name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to show you 3 things that you guys could start implementing today to help grow your business. Now, I've learned that by giving business owners and people a free attack plan of actual things that they could start doing to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business grow, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan that I give you today and do it yourself, well, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that'll set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content quantity. So I use your URL, as you can see right here, and I plugged it into a tool called SEO Quake. And we can see that you have 409 words. So Google released that their algorithms when they're scrubbing websites and pages for their ranking system are right out of the gate minimum looking for 1,500 words. So just having that 1,500 words is going to help you meet one of those minimum criteria. Now, of course, you're not going to make giant leaps and bounds in the Google ranking, but it's one of those like check mark this box and you can, that's one thing you have above some of your competition. So that's the first thing I can suggest. Second thing is going to be your content quality. So as we can see here, you have gutter, gutters, learn, and seamless as your top 4 keywords. 23, 12, and 10 for the top 3 is how much you're using. So gutter 23 times, gutters 12, learn 10 times. The reason that's important is when you type something into Google, it's going to look for those words. So I typed in gutters Central Florida, and your number 1 competitor is right here. This Central Florida's gutter. Gutter Masters of Central Florida is the actual website. And so if we look at them in SEO Quick, we can see that they're not meeting that 1,500 word mark either. But they have gutter in Florida and Central in their top 4. So as you can see, they're pulled towards the top. So those are just 2 really quick and easy adjustments you can make to help you start ranking in Google and get found easier by more people. But the third thing I'm going to talk about is the most important, and that's your offsite SEO. So I used a tool called Ahrefs just to look again at your URL, and we can see that you have a low DR of 0.2, 155 backlinks, and you're getting roughly 40 people visiting your site every month. Now the reason this is important on the backlinks is because backlinks are what drive your DR, and your DR is what drives your ranking. Now what a backlink is simply a link from one website to your website, and it's giving you some of their quote-unquote link juice. So it works like this. If site A points to site B, then site B gets some of the link juice from site A. Now when we talk about that link juice, that's the power that's going to up your DR. And what the DR is your domain rating, and it's an authority thing. In Google's eyes, it's pretty much a popularity contest. They want to make sure that you have the most popular website by other websites kind of vouching for you. So again, we'll look at that competitor, centralfloridagutters.com, and we can see they have 200 backlinks, and they are driving a 199 traffic a month. So basically 200 people visiting their website a month. So as you can see, it really pays to dedicate some time and energy into your offsite SEO. So in closing, we discussed 3 things. We talked about content quantity and having the minimum of 1,500 words on that homepage. Secondly, we discussed the importance of the quality and how those keywords are what will ultimately get you found when people type it into Google. Thirdly, and most importantly, we talked about how the ranking is fully situated on that DR and the authority based on the backlinking, and how you need the most relevant sites point at you to show Google you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you could be number 1 across Google in no time. So what now? Well, like I said in the beginning, you could take this free plan that I just gave you and implement it all on your own, which I'm totally fine with. However, if you want the more effective route, save yourself time and energy, and you want to see what other tricks and tools and tips I have up my sleeve, then go ahead and shoot me a message back or call me at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you and have a great day.